What is going on, guys? It is Fitz Miller in a Miata, back here with another video. Today I'm going to show you guys how to make a scrape plate, and this is going to be for a Miata, but realistically this can work for any car. We're about to go get the materials, and then I'll show you guys what we're going to be doing. So let's get right into the video. Alright, so we got the materials. We got a big ass thing of steel. I'm assuming it's that thick. You'll know when you go in to pick it out. This is significantly heavier than the rest of them. So we got our material, and we got our metal. We got our self tappers. I have no idea what size. We went with that size right there. So next step is just to get the car in the air and then form the scrape plate to the right shape. Next, what we're going to do is take the jack and our piece of metal. We're going to raise it up to the oil pan, figure out where we're going to attach it, and mark where we need to bend it up so it protects the rack. Alright, so we have it centered close enough. I'm going to mark a line right here, and that's where we're going to bend the front of this scrape plate up. Now we're going to lower it down and get to bending this thing. Now this next step where you're going to be bending your scrape plate up is up to you at this point. I have a piece of my broken driveway and a sledgehammer, and we're just going to beat that end until it folds up at 45 degrees or so. Let's do it. Now we have beat the shit out of it. We're gonna go test fit it. Let's do it. Now you put your scrape plate on your jack, or you can just hold it up. But this bitch kind of heavy. You gonna jack it up? That's not too bad. That's not too bad for a $40 scrape plate. Now we're gonna take our self tappers, figure out where we need to drill the holes, and preferably find holes that are already in your subframe. If not, making more will not hurt. Now we're just gonna mark where the holes are gonna go, self tap it up in there, and we're good to go. You're going to want to get it started through the sheet metal or metal of your choice. You're going to want to start the hole through the subframe, and then I'm using an impact and an 8mm for these specific self tappers, and then you just ratchet it in. Alright, so I just had to make another hole in the subframe because I used the impact and I got it too tight. Ended up stripping the first hole, but the second hole is good, nice and tight. Now we're going to do one over there, one back there, one over there. Let's do it. And just like that, we have all 4 self tappers in there. No, they're not even. I wanted them to be in the best possible spot, the flattest spot to the subframe as we could get. But I mean, for 40 bucks compared to 200 bucks, what I've seen on eBay. Also, if this is just temporary, if you want to get something in the future that is nicer or a little bit thicker, go ahead and do that. But you can't beat this for 40 bucks. Alright, well, this was how to make your own scrape plate for 40 bucks. I hope you guys learned something. I hope you guys are able to take this information, either do this yourself or adapt, make it better, fit it to your car, whatever you need to do. This is just to give you an idea of how to do this if you don't want to go spend all the money to get a real one made for your car. Hope you guys enjoyed. This has been Fitz Miller in the Miata, not mine, the Zemmy's, and we'll see you guys in the next one.